First draw up and down side curve line like this. This is kind of M. We have drawn a M image. Now draw a triangular shape cap over this line. Now draw curve line in cap. Add 2 circles as button. Now extend this curve line. Draw ear with C shape. Write S. Now from this point draw face curve and connect it with ear. Here draw a slanting line for nose. Draw a circle with slanting line. This is glass and draw eye in the circle. Draw one more circle and eye inside the circle. Draw eyebrow just over the circles. Draw a dot here and draw a slanting line for glasses. Draw hairline. Here draw lips. Draw a small line here. Draw curve line for neck. Now we will draw collar with this neckline. Draw a line in between. For shoulder, we will draw a U shape like this. Draw one more U shape in this way. Draw a circle here for button. Similarly here we will draw a U shape and draw a line for body. Draw circle shape button. Sketch of Subhash and Bose is complete. Now take out your blue pencil color and draw a big circle with the help of bowl. Now we will draw Ashok Chakra. Draw U shape like this. Color all the U shape with the same pencil color and then draw slanting lines. After completing Ashok Chakra, we will complete the outline. We can do outline with black sketch pen or black gel pen. I have used black gel pen here for outline. After completing outline, erase pencil marks with the help of eraser. Now we will color our drawing. First black color in hair and yellow color in all the buttons. I have used dark green pencil color to color this drawing. You can use any color whatever you have, like plastic crayons, oil pastels. I have done little bit shading also with the darker shade. This pencil color shading. If you want to learn pencil color shading, you can check our channel playlist. We have uploaded many pencil color shading tutorials, step-by-step tutorials along with voice instructions. Do check it once. Skin color in face. Brown color I have done in lips and little bit in glasses. Now we will write some words in our drawing. Whatever you want to write, you can write. You can choose different words also. Rest of the coloring part I have done with oil pastel. not color in Ashok Chakra. And now the drawing is complete. Hope you like this drawing tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.